What are you doing, Ella? Are you playing with your new dollhouse? Does your baby have a swing? What's your baby doing? What's your baby doing? Swing? Swing? Can you put your baby in the swing? And can you also state for the record that I did have your hair in a bow and you lost it at Target? Is that the baby? Can you put him in the swing and have the mommy push him? That's fun, huh? Oh, I didn't mean this mommy. I meant the baby mommy, or the play mommy. Where's the mommy? Here, have the mommy push the baby. Mommy's got some crazy hair. Mommy doesn't typically grill, but that mommy can. Are you cooking? Are you making dinner? There's the kitchen. Do you love your new dollhouse, Ella? That's the daddy. He doesn't typically cook. He grills. Yeah. Dada, that's right. That's the daddy. Are you having fun? Can you blow Mommy a kiss for getting you a swing for your babies? Can I have a kiss? No, just a swing. Okay, bye.